Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the channel, OxmanGarage. If you haven't visited the channel yet, well, my name is Philip and this is my channel. Welcome back to a beautiful day in Maryland. It's absolutely gorgeous out today. It's a little on the humid side, not gonna lie, but other than that, it's perfect. So this is just gonna be a quick update, real quick run through. I got the one box of parts for the scooter I've been waiting for the Ruckus. For Ruckus build. So what I'm going to be doing today is going to do an unboxing, and then later on I'm going to, when I got some time, I'm going to bring up to the powder coater. So these parts can get powder coated too. Wonder what color. We know we got carbon fiber on it, but what else could it be? You know what, guys? In the comments below, let me know what color you think I'm turning the Ruckus. What could it be? Red? Blue? Green? Yellow? Purple? Pink? Who knows? Maybe I'll do it the same color as the old Chameleon, you know? This real awesome orange. What do you think? What do you think? Because, I mean, that color is awesome. But only time will tell. So, let's set up and get this box undone. And you can get to see what else I got in store for us. So, alright guys. We got our box. It is from the great country of Canada. So let's break into it. What do you guys think it is, huh? You already, you know what I've done to the bike so far. I've pretty much taken it apart. What could it be? What could it be? Lock this. Safety first. Safety first. I'm gonna put that back in my pocket. Not have it locked, but I guess I'm going to be using it for a little bit longer. Really? I'm having a tough time with this box, aren't I? Should always cut away from you people, everybody. Away. Not towards, away. Don't pay attention to what I'm doing. But always, leave it unlocked, so. Alright guys, what do you think? What do you think it is? Last chances. Oh wow, got a lot of stickers. Stickers. Got more stickers. Receipt. And more stickers. Box number one. And box number two. Don't need that anymore. Box number one is, get my handy dandy knife back out. See, away. All right, so 3, I don't know, you shouldn't be able to see it. 3, 2, 1. So we have a set of foot pegs. Look at that. How awesome is that? Unfortunately, it's not staying black because it looks awesome. But a set of foot pegs goes over the gas tank, and these should be the pegs themselves and the hardware. Yep, the foot pegs. So what I'll be doing is taking the nuts out of this, and these will go to the powder coater, and that's going to the powder coater. Honestly, this box is trash. And we got box number 2. And this is an NCY box as well. Those the footrests and the pegs are also from NCY. So good looking. So open it up. What do you think this is gonna be, guys? Huh? Does it say it on the front? No, I don't think so. What do you think this is? I'll give you 3, 2, 1, and it's a lowered seat frame. Look at that. Check that out. Lowered seat frame. Actually, let's clean this up. Well, not clean up, but look. Put this right here. Here we have is the 2 seat frames next to each other. So this one has a storage bin that somebody added to it, but look at that difference. Like, check that out. That's a big difference, isn't it? Just trying to get an idea. Alright, so we gotta get those in there. So those in there. Whoa, that was easy. We're gonna take a ride in the Mercedes-Benz to go drop off the parts of the powder coater in the Mercedes C300 2008 with 242,989. We are going to hit 243,000 miles on this drive today, guys. It is an awesome car. This car's been great to us. Let's, you know what, it's hot. Yeah, let's check washer fluid. There's a hole in the line. Well, let's turn that off. No. I need help. Alright, getting onto the highway. Feel that awesome Mercedes power. Alright, almost there, everyone. Almost there. Gotta take this awesome, fun turn. Dropped everything off. It wasn't around, so it is what it is. But I can't wait to get it back. Hopefully I get it back in the next day or two. Really hoping for that. I hope I don't have to wait long. Honestly, what I'm hoping for is to get it back to be able to put it together for Sunday's video. That's gonna be that's the goal. So let's see if that happens. If not, I'll have to figure something else out for Sunday. Think about that now rather than later, right? Alright, so I am definitely going to go get some Chick-fil-A. It's hot, it's humid, it's sticky, it's gross outside. I'm sweating. I mean, I wish I could get Ted Drew's, but I'm not in St. Louis. Such a ripoff. I haven't had Ted Drew's in like almost a year now. I'm not going to probably get it this year either. It's a real ripoff. I got last year at the airport while I went through STL. It's good stuff. What's your favorite ice cream? I know I asked you what color you thought the Ruckus was going to be. Well, let me know in the comments as well. What is your favorite ice cream? Mine, it's gotta have Heath in it, or brownie, or cookie dough, or a mixture of it all. But that's what I enjoy. Or Reese's. Can't forget about Reese's. like going to Sonic and getting the Sonic Reese Blast with extra Reese's. Gotta have the extra Reese's. Alright guys, well I'll meet you at Chick-fil-A in a couple minutes. Well, for you it's gonna be like a second. So the second that this ends, it's gonna pick up at me showing up at Chick-fil-A, so alright. We made it! And the line isn't even that long. That's awesome. Alright guys, so maybe I a little underestimated the line. Just a little. Just a little. 2 lanes and it's pretty full. Alright boys and girls, we have secured a chocolate milkshake. And ended up going with the chocolate milkshake, not a frozen lemonade. That's what they're called. Frozen lemonades. But I went for the classic chocolate milkshake. So awkward. Tastes great. Can't complain with that at all. Alright guys, honestly, this is going to end today's video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. It really would help me get further reach to more people. If you like this video, smash that like button for me, like squad. And even if you didn't like this video, go smash that like button, like squad. I need that for my YouTube algorithm. I need your help. Guys, I can't do this alone. I need your help. Like I said, if you haven't yet, if you're new here, or if you just haven't, please subscribe. Know that 99% of you are still not subscribed to the channel who watch my videos. That's craziness still. Come on, we need to pick this up. We gotta get to like 90% and get rid of that 9%. Like, come on. If you're watching the videos, you're enjoying it, smash that subscribe button. Alright guys, well, this vlog is effectively over, and